Ghana good. Africa investigate the spell of the albino in Tanzania. Africa investigate illegal mining in Ghana. He did it before people came now. Illegal mining. The spirit child, people and power, Al Jazeera support to now. Kum Kwada innocently in the region. Anas Esebu Omo, and then Kwadani in Ako school. Then one day, Anas entered politics. Kennedy said, "One way Obama be parliament. Obey Jem. Kennedy Yapon, who a girlfriend 100, now who are 25. Obi no only problem. Journalism is what impacts the public, and the public interest is prime. One no ireta Obi fan who papa one with them. No mum say eba na me the football at Ghana got 3 World Cups. You need single pitch in Accra to show. Black Star the ball matter. This one moko high SHS field. Na Ghana ni BBR. Now you to me your budget $10 million and you call one African Cup. I got you $1.5 million. Now buy our approval. Now when you now your bobo kotokoni ha referees and then according to club owners, referees to meet Sika 100 million for ordinary Ghana Premier League game. Now so be a room watching over 100 referees. One question antechi, one name of board of presidency, one name of board of vice presidency. Mr. Sensudi Intino, MPP government must block Anas for the interest of politicians or Muslims. If you don't have any skeleton in your cupboard, Ghanaians know who is credible between Anas and the genuine so-called Ghanaian politician. Mr. Kennedy, give us a break. Anas will show on the 6th of June. Ghanaians will support Anas ahead of any political party, ahead of any politician. Almost selfish interest and more minor. You do higher way. Editorial. Some of them are several lives of children, several lives of orphans, several lives of Ghanaians who were Thailand, several lives of albinos, several lives of people who have been prosecuted and jailed for no offenses. Judges here, no way. And now on Trapu Bia. Now you see people who don't know anything about journalism. Of course, for years, undercover journalism has been a subject of debate. But I say every day in journalism, any rule that cannot be bent will definitely be broken. So one call extreme measure, some extreme situation now in Africa. Say nipa baku to me $10 million. One man who to pay. Oko France and Oko UK. What is the nipa baku to me $500,000? Say the bottom. O my sika. Yeah, for now. What do you want? UK never do. Now what would you say? Papa, yes, Ghana Kwana Obeti front plate will blow $1 million and then Canada Japan now say, yes, so Marco sign contract to be a national identification will be Marco you $120 million. I'll blow $1 no. What is so much is Ghana, an extreme situation we know. You need extreme measures, and we must stand behind Anas. And since the politicians always want to divide this nation, when their interests come, now, unfortunately, Canada Japan call mine. All Casa need a permanent neat. Was it the empty or Casa in answer or question you and Antechia? Ama, or no, I can. Yes. And then, or question you and Antechama, watch in the part of the story. Show Ghana won't tell why the man who was fighting, upon the voices are chill, fighting to save Ghana football. The man who was saying Nyantechi a braggart. At that point, let nobody miss it. Miss it take Nyantechi out. Mamon fight be a hate of Nyantechi and a hate for Nyantechi. Take him out. What about the alleged over 100 referees? Kotokone has match. Nipa 40,000 to stadium. Now referee a sebo. Now Nipa 127 a woo because of referee decision. What about them? Take Nyantechi out. If you want to protect persons, take him off. What about the match officials? Omoton Kwadaka, Emobi Kobobo, Anas never. What about sports authority? What about the people who are taking money from the grassroots? They require pitches or Mudino. What about them? What about the people who are giving fake names to children? Omuma and Kwado Ofi Cote d'Ivoire Ghanaian names just to come and play. Anas again, one China Monkoche. Now meaning the entire people person blocking. This is not the first time. Anas, you're fighting. This is not the first time. But when it comes political, you say, I feel the rural politics in Abronia is sitting somewhere. Who Abronia say they want to bring MPP government down? Who said Anas investigation now? Oh, you know, they want to bring MPP government down. And Abronia, I'm telling you, where were you before NDC? Professor John Bansa Tamils. Mikani Crusade. But you are the beer. O my Ghana for who say, yes, or tie announce a 2 Diana Oya because and then you are still with the cow opposite. Sikana and Kwana, but on Kelsey, a dear man who caught a new dear Vimas. Clear body to a Kunu Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire border. Abia Cote d'Ivoire for Ghana for Kokumono, Clear born Nasi too, all in the interest of Ghana. And I'm telling you, Tim Lopez in Brazil died in 2011 because of undercover journalism, wanting to expose crime in drugs undercover Yeboni to Okuno. And so a risky job, risking a life. Chef Professor Mills, 2012, and Omami who said, Ghana being honest president. Nana do Danko Akufo-Addo. 2012, now Omami who said, Ghana honest. Nana do Danko IE debate. Oba and say, Ghana or person fighting corruption. Now Osha parameters and measures and schemes are the best approach to fight corruption under his government. So when we need election, the announced approach.
Thank you very much. You have specifically mentioned corruption within the taxation system. What exactly will you do to stamp this out?
The measures are going to be difficult, but there have to be a variety of them, including what I call the Anas principle.
The Anas principle, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, and Nana is one of the most credible political leaders in this country's history so far. Of course, or taking action measures, even in sports. But the person among 40 years say we can never trust Kennedy Japan than Anas. Anas, our timeline of events, our reputation, positive reputation of exposing rot. Kennedy doesn't. The little that Kennedy has. Yeah, Kennedy Japan knows what Mima Obisika. No Bora MPP, NDC MP form no cover files about. Every undercover and any undercover. I don't know come one kind of say on about your agenda about them have document. I don't know one kind. Until now say but no I can't say Mr. Nyantechi. Maybe how about the undercover investigation in the no other also. Now Ghana for ya a bit mun say come and come over among for himself Ghana for a docile. Ya again Nentino, ya obi politician be a casama. Honorable Mr. Farmer and the trigger constitutional clause. Say Yamra, Thailand, Ghana, ya Farmer Ghana, you're repatriating. And that's the question document, because this is football. Obia can be because football is cheap, a game for rogues. The young man say, is it not announced in the investigation that yet a maggot infested flour, a biscuit, man for you, Kuma, I yet you honor, and that's a corner, not of corruption. And also no corporate guardian. Mummy and Ghana politicians here. I am telling people every day, say Ghanaian politicians, 99% of them, when you see them talking today, tomorrow they will change the topic. It depends on where they stand, and where you stand depends on where you sit. Kennedy Japan now all fighting to save Ghana football a month ago. And they will say stop allegation of corruption or moving and stop it because Anas actually put your body. Now anyone football and Anas say an investigation. According to Kennedy Japan, winning power. Or any football investigation. DFA President Tiana Haino, literally. All your investigation, no. Tell you, young person a back can send me. But, or starting investigation, or call us to Kotiaska way. Yes, it is our power. Or call us to a compare sponsor. Yes, it's our power. And now say, go for no. Or move the house or move beer. Yes, it's our power. And I say, I never made a no what you of yours. Magister, there is our power you. And no call for Papa or be able to say, and you haven't met me. Ampa. Now, pay my boy Jude. Jude, me person sponsor Ghana Premier League. Who's who Ghana Premier League in the upper sponsor? Yemi Maje, but any Juma Papa Bia. Met me in your contract amount, me just get Kutawia. Ghana, dear men, met me. Now, Ghana Premier League near more investigation. And yeah, Anna Obina put two words. Anas did not put words in people's mouth. Anas is credible than 99% Ghanaian journalists. Anas. CNN, BBC, all the big media outlets in the world, Omureti Anas, second or third best undercover journalist. Now undercover journalism, the Ghana Kwane Wana. Moon Kaise, Abranti Afani Camelo Abati, 2010, Okogura Vatican, Roman for Omo headquarters. Say, you say, among for Roman sisters, no money, and Memada. Meman so far money, fathers, no. Camelo Abati and Kodawa for more than 2 years. Ori over published here, and Omudi Clinic Vatican. One a bit matter, touch not my anointed. Roman father, for Roman father, them, a video, all the by because you want to save, sanitize the religion and sanitize the world. undercover journalist baby ewu adwuma anasi no say otodan every week enye mo wa adwuma na wo ye no otodan every week because you can die every day enye anas aru ya wa ya madipie. This is the first time into omo in the situation should not talk. People should take Mr. Kwesi Nyantakyi out and put him somewhere. Ghana football is dying, and it is a statement of fact said by a lot of people within football. Ghana football on the grounds within the masses, it is dying. And corruption in Ghana football has become a statement of fact according to executive committee member with Fokoko Sepama. On the 11th of October 2017, Okanwa Inshira FM in Kumasi said corruption in Ghana football is no more a perception. It is a statement of fact. And we need to fight it. Executive committee member. Ghana football is dying. According to Canada Japan, Georgia Free Belgium and the March, March 23rd. Anna, Manswick Hotel. Canada Japan for car or say, Canada Japan yao. Or for car or Manswick Hotel, say Ghana football say, Yanni was seen at the Chimpiho. Nayamfa, Georgia Free Emra. Nanyamana Apostle, no one for Nisika Metes are corruption win. Now say the Georgia Free Ebana Ghana football in a new image. 23rd of March 2018 yao. Onu di nisika baba beshim em ye born in sem emano Canada Japan yo o say Ghana football I say nti onu nisika no fanshim na mom say ye di Georgia Free ye bana enya new image na sanity bamu a ye sanitize na obey invest the same Canada Japan ye 23rd of March 2018